Every year, over 1.19 million people lose their lives in road accidents worldwide. In India, heavy vehicles and trucks are involved in thousands of these incidents. And in most cases, the cause is not the road. It's the driver. Fatigue, distraction, drunk driving, blind spots. Small moments that lead to irreversible consequences. In India, drivers often operate for long hours without proper rest. Fatigue slows reaction time, impacts decision-making, and turns a routine drive into a high-risk situation. Drunk driving continues to be one of the most dangerous causes of road accidents. One wrong decision, one ignition, can put multiple lives at risk. And then there are blind spots. Heavy vehicles come with large areas that the driver simply cannot see. In crowded roads or yards, one unseen moment is all it takes. So how do you prevent this? You don't just monitor the driver, you build a system that protects every moment of the journey. With Roadcast Breath Analyzer, safety begins before the engine starts. If alcohol is detected, the vehicle simply won't start. No exceptions, no risks. Because the safest trip is the one that starts right. But safety doesn't end at ignition. Once the journey begins, continuous monitoring becomes critical. With Roadcast AI Dashcam, driver behavior is monitored in real time. It detects fatigue before it becomes dangerous. Instant alerts when the driver shows signs of drowsiness. It detects distractions like mobile usage or looking away from the road, ensuring focus stays where it matters. It even detects unsafe habits like smoking inside the vehicle and flags them immediately. Real-time alerts are instantly shared with fleet managers, so action can be taken before an incident happens. And then comes visibility. With 4 cameras, front, rear, left, and right, blind spots are eliminated completely. A screen near the dashboard gives the driver a complete view, helping them navigate safely, even in tight and high-risk environments. Together, these systems create a complete safety ecosystem. Prevent, monitor, protect. Because accidents don't just damage vehicles, they impact lives, families, and businesses. But safety and tracking are a must. Roadcast. We track everything that matters.